Welcome back to Cheddar's Opening Bell. Digital banking was already a hugely popular option in recent years, but with quarantines and lockdowns, the coronavirus pandemic has launched digital banking from a perk to a necessity. And joining us now is Louvleen Sidhu, co-founder and CEO of Bank Mobile. Louvleen, it's great to have you with us this morning. How have you seen the pandemic impact the world of digital banking?
Sure. Thank you so much for having me. I mean, it's been tremendous. I think that it was very clear already before the pandemic that people are walking into a bank branch one time a year on average versus interacting with their bank on their mobile device 20 to 30 times a month. And obviously, as we've been in the COVID world and living at home, it's become even more important to have a digital banking partner or bank that really where you can do everything on your couch. And so our model and digital banking models across the board have seen an explosion of growth.
Interesting. Okay, so you basically are a bank, it sounds like, for customers. How are you trying to take advantage of this and grow your user base?
Yeah, I think that, our mission has always been about the consumer. How can we bring affordability? How can we bring transparency, more consumer-friendly products, a tech-savvy approach to banking? So our model really hasn't changed. I think what's been beneficial through the pandemic is that, more and more people are looking at how can they save money. We have interest-bearing checking accounts. We have savings accounts to really help them, grow their money as it's sitting in their account. We have money management tools, abilities for them to be able to set money aside and automate that, and to be able to set goals for savings, etc. To be able to get cash back on payments that they have to make and spending, etc. And so it's really about what we've been doing and making sure that we're there for our consumers during this difficult time.
And do you also offer loans? Because we know millions of Americans, more than 14 million Americans, still without work as of the data that we got last week. How are you helping them as they try to navigate, which is an extremely difficult financial time?
No, definitely. And we're trying to be there as much as possible for our consumers, for our customers across the board. Today, we offer personal loans, we offer student refinance, we offer credit cards, and that's all available to anyone that's looking for Bank Mobile to support them in those ways. And you can just go to our website to apply digitally.
Okay, so you launched this company in 2015 when you were just 28 years old. I'm very impressed, Louvleen. What advice would you give to entrepreneurs, and especially during this time? Is now a good time to start a business?
I think that, I've always had the mindset that when there are difficulties, challenges, there's always opportunities beneath that. And I think that it's all about the attitude. And if you have that attitude, you're going to find a way to be able to find an advantage during a difficult time. There are many companies that were able to do well during the 2008 crisis. We've seen this over and over again. Whenever there's a challenge, there's an opportunity. So I would just recommend and advise, entrepreneurs to never give up, to keep going, to keep their life state high, to keep their optimism and hope going. Hope is a very strong thing, and to push through this and to find the opportunity.
Mm-hmm. I know you do have an agreement with Google. Explain what that is and how that helps customers.
Yeah, we're one of the few banks that Google has chosen to partner with. It's a very unique partnership in where today we have a customer acquisition funnel for our business where we serve the student market. 1 in every 3 college-bound student touches us through the approximately 750 college relationships that Bank Mobile has today. Google is obviously very interested in being able to help students across the country, and that has already been our mission. So what we've decided is to partner with one of the best global technology firms in the world to provide their brand equity, to provide their front-end user experience as it relates to digital banking. With our back-end infrastructure, our banking, regulatory compliance, fraud management, everything that you need in a bank, cybersecurity, expertise, etc. And we're going to join together to create a co-branded banking experience to help our students better save their money, manage their money, and grow their money.
Okay, we all want that money to grow.